What's happening, Kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you today, man. We are doing another install on the 2019 Road Glide Special, and we have partnered up with Kemi Moto, and we're gonna be installing a cup holder for the handlebars. Gotta have one here in Texas, man. Super hot. Gotta have something to be able to stay hydrated all the time. So let's go ahead and get to it, man, and I'll show you exactly what comes in the box. All right, Kinfolk, so this is the box here that it comes in. And so what we're gonna do, open the box up. This is the cup holder itself. Nice, big, deep cup holder. I mean, look at that. It does have chrome on it. So the options that they had was hardware option. You can either get black hardware as the options that they offer. So when I thought black hardware, I thought it was gonna come black here as well. But no big deal, we'll take care of that. It will come chrome, just so you know, but the hardware, if you choose black, will be black. And this is gonna be a handlebar perch mount cup holder. So in the bag, you're also gonna get your instruction, and you're also going to get a couple bolts, and this one's actually got a spacer as well, or they both do, just like that. This is gonna be the actual mount, and then this is where the cup holder mounts to here. All right, so let's get to it, and I'll show you exactly what we're gonna do. First things first, we're going to take, I have a 03D foam mount on here, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop this off, and then I'll just have to find somewhere to mount my phone holder over here on the bars. Or you can mount it on this side, but I've got the RBW SKULL on this side, so I will be leaving that there. So we're gonna go with the phone holder. So let's take that off real quick and start installing the mount, the perch mount itself. All right, Kinfolk, so I switched you over to a GoPro mount just to make it a little easier. You're gonna mount that ball towards the top. Let's put Loctite first. Getting ahead of myself, Just like that. Let's tighten her down here. Let's raise it up all the way to the top. Get that good and tight. But then I ended up painting these, right? So I got these painted just so they're black. I'll end up doing this one as well. So now what we're gonna do though, once you got it mounted to your perch, you're gonna take this here, the actual cup holder, and you're gonna take the top off of it. And then once you take the top off of it, I've got that bolt painted as well. We're gonna go stick it on the ball. Be careful, this has also got a lock washer in it. So you wanna be careful with that, make sure you don't lose that. Brother-in-law had given me some black primer, so appreciate your brother-in-law, cause that comes out pretty good. Stick this onto here. So since it does have a lock washer, don't think we're gonna put Loctite on this one. And the bolt's going straight down. And again, the actual mount I have, the bracket I have it all the way up. Oh man, that's freaking high. We're gonna need to drop that down some. We may even flip this. We might end up flipping this here to drop it down. We'll move this further down as well. Let it come all the way down, and then we'll see what we need to do with the rest of it. A little bit here, a little bit there. Try to tighten them up evenly, just like that. Still too high for me, so we're gonna take this and flip it upside down. They do provide you 2 Allen wrenches. Okay, that's actually geared. Oh, so you can twist it as well. All right, so let's turn this upside down, and then we gotta get it back in the grooves. And I'm gonna come this way with it as well. That's a cool idea, so it can't get twisted. This back onto here. Nice and tight there. It's out of the way. It's not gonna be in the way of turning. I mean, I think that's pretty dope, man, because like I'm gonna end up getting this, I'm gonna paint this. So this will be all black. This is gonna be black, just like this here. But bringing it down, flipping it, actually made it a lot better for me, myself. Maybe if you got stock bars, they're way down here, keeping it the way it was will definitely help, because that'll bring it up. But let's get a couple things to set in there. You got your 16 ounce, no problem at all. All right, we got this big mamma jamma, 33.8 fluid ounces, 1 liter. Look at that, man. Phew, no issues there. So that's what makes this nice, because it's versatile, right? Small cans, smaller cups, bigger ones like this for sure. Let's get a tumbler. So we got couple tumblers. That one fits perfect. I don't know the size. I don't know the size of that tumbler, but I mean, just beautiful, right? I think this is like a 20-ounce tumbler. I mean, no issues there, yeah. And then we got the big Mama Jamma. No issues. I mean, it fits this big Mama Jamma. You know what I mean? So I think that's dope, man. Really good product. It's like a leather with a weave, basket weave kind of design there. That's pretty good to me. I like it. I like it a lot. Another install down, another product on the Road Glide. Man, super dope, man. I like it. Like I said, I'm just gonna paint that. That will work good. So yeah, Kim folk, that's it, man. That's it on that one. Another great install. Another easy install, right? So check Kemi Moto out. Their link for this product will be right down below, man. Click it, it'll take you straight to the product. Can't wait to use it. Now I just gotta get a modular helmet. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed that, man. And sorry about the different angles. I mean, I had to go head mount just so I could try to get what I was doing on camera. Super hard to do it by yourself. So props to those guys that do all their recording, everything by themselves, because it is super difficult. Until next time, until next install, much love, much respect. Knuckles out. See you.